Alright guys, we have some pretty bad news with the ZX6R here. Get the frame right there. It's got a nice crack in it. And then if you look under, we got the light here. It's split and there's a hole in the frame here. Yeah, that's a pretty deep whack there, but it's sad news because after just putting the motor back in the frame, I don't know if y'all saw the video of that, but that video is out. We were thinking, all right, steps in the right direction. We're gonna now put the electrical in, get the carbs cleaned up, and then, we were looking around, put this cover back on here. I'm assuming this is a noise cover or something. It's just thick with foam, but, then I was I was looking under there and I was like, oh, well, the paint's kind of chipped, I thought, because you see up here, like the paint is kind of chipping and it's got a pretty deep, like nick there from something. But seeing that crack in the frame there, it is the worst thing to see, mainly because that tells me that this frame is no good right now. Like, that is not safe. I mean, seeing that big of a crack under it and then that giant hole, it's not good. And I would hate to try and fix it and then sell it. I would rather get a new frame that's in perfect condition, that has no cracks in it, no bends, anything like that. So we're at a bit of a stuck point here now. We'll keep you guys updated with what happens and all that, but for right now, we're digging deep. We're on Marketplace, eBay, just trying to find a frame for this bike. And if anyone has this bike that they're parting out, this is a 1995 Kawasaki ZX6R or ZX600 F1. If anyone has that and they've got a frame that they're willing to part out, please message us down in the comments. That would be much appreciated. Help us out a lot. But yeah, we're just trying to find everything, because although just parting this out and try and get the money back out of it is the reasonable course to do, I still feel confident that we can get this to be a running machine again. So we're gonna try our hardest. We're still gonna, have some videos out. I think at a minimum, we'll put the electrical in and see if we can get the motor to turn over. That's pretty much what we have on the list for now, but the way this frame is, it's not rideable, at least not hard. We can do small test rides to see if the transmission is good, but nothing crazy. So like no more than 30 miles an hour, because I think braking past a certain point speed-wise, it will cause unnecessary stress on the frame. So, I mean, yeah, it's sad news, but we're gonna try. We're gonna keep our head held high. That is the one thing we're gonna do. We're not gonna back down. We're gonna keep our head held high, and we're gonna keep trying. And we'll keep you guys updated with that.